Picture this. You work hard every single month. You pay your rent, you cover your bills, you even put a little aside in savings. And honestly, life feels okay. But somewhere in the back of your head, a question keeps showing up. Should I be doing something more with this money? Most people push that question away. They say, I'll figure it out later, when I have more money, when things calm down a bit. But here's what nobody tells you. Later is the most expensive word in personal finance. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happens to your money when you never invest, not with opinions or guesses, with actual math, because the numbers here will genuinely change the way you think about money. If you want more honest finance content, hit subscribe before we dive in. Let's start simple. Say you save $200 every month. You keep it in a savings account, which pays around 1% interest per year. After 30 years, you've saved $72,000 of your own money. With interest added, you end up with around $83,000. That feels solid, right? Now watch what happens when you change just one thing. What if that same $200 went into a simple index fund instead, the kind that tracks the overall stock market? Historically, the stock market has returned around 10% per year on average over long periods of time. After 30 years, that same $200 a month turns into roughly $452,000. Same person, same $200 every single month, completely different result. The gap? Over $369,000 just from where you chose to put the money. But here's the part that really hits me. Every single month you delay, you're not just postponing your investment. You're permanently erasing part of your future wealth, not pausing it, erasing it, because that time never comes back. Now look, I'm not saying this to stress you out. I'm saying it because most people only understand this when it's already too late to do anything about it. The good news, though, getting started is way simpler than most people think. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need to understand every company in the stock market. You just need to take one small step right now. Open a basic investment account, put in whatever you can, even if it's just $50, pick one simple, broad index fund, and set up an automatic monthly transfer, whatever amount fits your life right now. That's it. No complicated research, no stock picking, no waiting for the perfect moment. Because here's the truth about time and money. You can always find ways to earn more. You can cut back on spending, you can switch to better investments down the road, but you cannot go back and start earlier. That's the one thing money simply cannot fix. The best time to start investing? With yesterday. The second best time is right now. If this made you think differently about your money, hit subscribe. I'd love to know where you're at. Are you already investing, or are you still waiting to start? Tell me in the comments, because honestly, your answer might surprise you.